Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bukoola Simon Peter here. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and honestly a game-changing feature in SOLIDWORKS, which is 3D sketching. In regular 2D sketches, we are locked to a single plane, but in 3D sketching, you break free and create a geometry directly into a full 3D space. You learn how to use 3D sketches in very many ways. For example, as super or guide curve, a centerline for lofts, or one of the key entities when designing routing systems like pipes, tubes, electrical cabling, and wire harnessing. So let's jump in. Uh, so we go to new sketch, drop down sketch, 3D sketch, and you go to line. Make sure you hover around the origin after clicking line so that you see uh, the constraint. Drag following that direction, drop anywhere. So we are going to fix one of the points, which is the starting point. I click align with dimension it. Give it 135. And we are going to create uh, more two lines. So unlike 2D sketches, when you're creating lines in 3D sketch, you have that symbol which is XY. So it shows the plane you're working with. So right now you're working with the XY plane. So you have to make sure it's on XY. To change the plane you're working with, you just press tab. So you press the two lines. We make them equal. And then in smart dimension all of the lines. Give it 15. Say okay. So we're going to create another line on another plane. So after clicking on the starting point, you press tab to change the plane you're working with. You see it has changed to YZ. So you're working, you see this origin part shows the directions. So you press YZ and you click again, press tab to change the plane. So working with XY again. So you press up to when you get to XY. Drag and drop. Click the vertical. Just make sure you follow the constraints. Just make sure you follow the constraints. Uh, make this one horizontal on that plane. Then go vertical on the XY. And then you can just make them just a little bit short. So you're going to add relations. You're going to make that line and that line equal. Plus that one, that would make them equal. So you select them and then press the equal relation, and then also make that line equal to this line. Make equal. Then you're going to add dimension to this front line. Click dimensions, smart dimension, click on the line, then give it the dimension of 140. So as I told you, you have to make sure our design is fully defined. So when you see black lines everywhere, it means this line is fully defined. We're going to add some fillets, make them 5 mm. Click on the vertices, press OK. Yes to every warning that pops up. Yes, 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 and then press OK. So we are saving our document as rack. Exit 3D first, and then on the right plane, you go to sketch, go to circle, you go to origin, and then go to smart dimension. Give it a diameter of 5. Press OK. So we are going to be using these are two different sketches. The one we have put on the right plane and the one in the 3D. So we're going to use these sketches to create a loft. So you go to sweep boss, select the first sketch, which is sketch 3, and then select the second sketch, which is the 3D sketch. Then press OK. So you have something like this. Now we go to front plane, we go to sketch, uh, go to circle, go around the center to make sure that the circle goes by the midpoint of the origin. The other dimension, this is 4. Go to smart dimension, click on the circle, make it 4, then press OK. You're going to dimension up to the origin, it's 11. You press OK. We go to features, extruded boss, flip direction, and in any condition we go up to surface. Then we select the surface of the opposite. Okay, so we're going to make the 3D sketch visible because we are going to use one of the lines. Select the boss extrude 2, then go to pattern, linear pattern, set the direction to the other line with the 3D sketch. Make sure the distance between is 20, and then there are 6 offsets. Then press OK. We hide the 3D sketch, and we go to mirroring plane. We go to the right plane, and then you go to bodies to mirror, and then click anywhere on this body, and then press OK, or right click to confirm. So you have now seen how to create sketches anywhere in the space, dimension them properly, mirror features for efficiency, and most importantly, use them to drive advanced features like the sweeps, lofts, and routing parts. These skills open doors to designing much more organic and real-world parts like frames, tubes, cables, weldments, and complex guide curves. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with what you would like to see next, and subscribe for more SolidWorks tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy designing. See you in the next one.